Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to change VS Code editor terminal color using these tips and tricks. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on laptop screen.
So first of all, we need to open here VS Code. I just simply open here my VS Code. So this is my VS Code. We need to open here terminal, new terminal. So look at this, my terminal background color is a black and font color is a white. So how to change font color as well as background color? It's very easy. Click here the gear option, setting. Inside the setting here, several informations are available. You can change the font size also here, text editor, cursor, find, font option, but we just simply change as a default setting. We need to type here work branch color, and after that here this is a work color customization options are available. We need to edit in select.json file. After that we need to add here some of the code related on font and background. So here some of the default setting is also available. Dark mode option are available, like editor font size is 18, terminal integrated font size is a 20. This is a terminal font size is a 20 and editor font size is 18. So we need to add here one of the code. So look at this, I just simply type here inside the double quote terminal.foreground colon, and this is a color. So you can change this color also. Now we just simply change here the color, is it really change or not. I just simply save this one and boom, the color is a change. You can click here and which color you want like as this font size, accordingly you decide, and after that you always save. And I like this color and I can keep it this one. Now point come here how to change this terminal background color. It's very easy, colon, and just simply type here terminal.background double colon and this color. I just simply save and boom, the background color is a change. Which background color you want like this one. So you can change the like little black also here. Select here and use your cursor like this, and after that save. So little color is a change. So that one is a really interesting tips and tricks and very easy to change font size and background terminal in VS Code.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.